Hola todos, I'm Claudia from Catalan International. Let me take you through this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment in El Born. We are starting in this beautiful living room, which is fully furnished, decorated with this high-end, beautiful furniture. Look at these tile floors and exposed wooden beams, which is a key Catalan feature, which brings so much history and charm to this apartment. It is right next to the master bedroom with a beautiful large double bed. Loads of storage which is neatly tucked away behind. You also have your own private balcony which overlooks the beautiful and charming El Born. And an ensuite bathroom, why of course, with 2 sinks, a large shower and loads of space. Following through this way, here we have the toilet, to the entrance / dining room, this beautiful wooden table which will be lovely to host friends and family and enjoy dinner, which is next to this large kitchen, open style with a long island. It is fully equipped with all the essentials such as a stove, a microwave and oven, a sink, loads of storage of course. Our second bedroom is here, also has a large double bed, storage here, and it connects to the laundry room where you'll have your washer and sink. Also has its own balcony. It is located in front of a bathroom which has a shower, a sink and toilet, and also is shared with the second bedroom. A single bed, but it's a large single bed and has long wardrobes as well, which can allow for loads of storage and putting your clothes neatly tucked away. So that is the end of the house tour. If you want this to be your next dream apartment, be sure to contact us at info@casamuna.com.